Then ask for the remote. Okay. So parallel equal to 4 and schema equal to user 1. Okay, so there is a multiple parameters. Okay, so you can test it by yourself only. So it will be depend on you. Means what parameter I can use. So here I will show you the user equal to and parallel, and then after I will show you how to take the uh, like 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 uh, metadata backup only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have shown you how to check all the parameters. So you can check by EXPDP help equal to y. So there is some of the important parameter like content equal to metadata, and all we can see this parallel schema full equal to y compression. So compression, some of the company are using the compression, some of the companies not using the compression, because if you are performing the compressed backup now, so it will take time to take the backup, because it takes the backup in compressed compressed backup. So in that scenario, no, it will take the time. So some of the companies using the compress, some of the companies not using the compress. Means some of the company who are having the less size of the database or less size of the schema, so they are performing the uncompressed backup. If they are having a very huge size of the schema, so for the storage purpose, they are performing a compressed backup. Okay. So compression, and then content like data, metadata. So mostly are using the content equal to metadata only. Means like how to take the database structure backup only. So they are using the content equal to metadata, and table exist action. So these are the some important parameters. So I will show you. So here I am showing how to take a schema backup with parallel. Okay. So I will giving that only. So pressing enter, asking first slash SysTVA, and give the password, and I have given the password. So it will take the backup of this schema only, this user only.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't need the sys user and all these default users backup, because we are not saving anything inside these users. We are saving whatever the data or whatever suppose our application is running with this user only. So we need to take the backup of these users only. Why we need the sys users and these are the default users backup? We don't need. We need our particular schema backup.
Yeah.
Is using by application. So we got all the data inside that schema. Means like on our machine we have only one table, so that's why taking the one table backup. If we have the multiple table, 100 or 500 or thousands of tables, so it will take all the thousands of tables backup.
Yeah.
Which is available in the is this schema, which is available here. We have given the schema equal to user one. So if you want to take the 2 or 3 schema, suppose you are having 2 or 3 schema, so you just after user one give the comma, give the second username, after comma give the third username without any space. Just give the comma, first user, comma, second user, comma, third user. So here you can see already I have given how to take the multiple schema backup. So I think
I think it's a
okay,
table you mentioned now, right? Say in the name, in the case of table, we can mention schema.
Yeah, table is same. Means like I have used that schema. Schema in the sense ki means like whatever the tables was available in this schema. So that's why we have given only the table name. If suppose we are using a sys user, a system user, okay, and the tables is available in the user one, okay. So tables equal to, you need to give, we need to give the tables equal to user one dot first table name, okay, then comma user one dot second table name. So like this, you need to give the all the tables name.
Okay.
So firstly means like you need to give the username dot and the table name. Then
Okay.
for second table, you need to give the username first dot table name, because after EXPDP, we are using a different user and we are taking a tables backup of a different user or different schema, any other schema. So that's why we need to specify here why I have given the table name only, because these two tables is available in the SFMS BR schema one.
Yeah, understood.
That's why I have given the only tables name.
Got it.
Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Means like whatever the tables in available in the schema, if we are using that schema or that user to take the backup as a user, okay. So in that scenario, you don't need to give the username here, okay. But if you are using, suppose if you are using here same like the sys user, if you are using the sys user here, okay, then here you need to give sfms br dot table name, then comma again for second table again you need to give the schema name like sfms br dot and then second user.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the difference.
Got it.
Yeah. So here our backup is successfully completed. And here you can see it takes a very short time. Also, it completed in 2 minutes only. If you do not use the parallel, then it may be it took around 4 minutes or 5 minutes. But by using parallel equal to 4, it takes only 2 minutes 40 seconds. And here you can see in user we have the two tables. We have one tables and the tables have the 4 rows. Okay,
Yeah, right.
it takes that user backup. So this is the schema level backup.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, and now I will show you we are taking the backup. Okay,
Yeah.
but we are taking the only I can say we are taking only metadata in the sense structure.
Okay.
Metadata only. So content equal to metadata only means it will not take the actual data, means whatever we have now 4 rows exported. It means with the table structure, it taking the data backup also. But when we will use the metadata, no, you will get, it will not give you this line. Like 4 rows is exported. It will not give you.
Okay.
Okay. So here we are giving like we are taking a metadata backup for user one only. Okay. So press the enter. Sorry.
It's not allowable value for content.
Sorry.
I think fully mistake metadata.
Yeah. It is asking for.
By here using the user one password, right?
No. Here we are using this password quality.
This password. Okay.
Yeah.
Oracle.
here we are giving the slash /sysdb, है ना?
Yes, yes.
That's why we are using the password. Means whatever the username we give, na, we will use that password only. If suppose we will use the user one here, then we
Uh-huh.
will use the user one password. But
Okay,
we are taking the user one backup
okay,
slash /sysdb.
okay. So using the here Oracle password, right?
Sorry.
Here you're using Oracle password, Oracle user.
Yes,
Okay.
we are using the sys user here, and by using
Okay.
sys user, we are taking the backup of user one.
Yeah. I'm asking here the password you are giving here Oracle or any?
No. The password which we have at the time of creation, we have given the password QWERTY, na?
Okay,
QWERT.
yeah. Got it, right.
Yeah. So we are using the sys password user only.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So now here we are taking the database structure backup only, not the complete database. We are taking the structure of user one.
Okay, bye.
Oh, sorry. Why it's giving the problem? Because we did not use the dump file name. So that's why it gives the problem.
Okay, you
Because
have to give
data
in the
backup is available by using that.
okay. So log file, okay, we have to change the dump file also.
Sorry.
Yeah, we have to change rename the dump file as well as log file.
Yeah. We just need to give the new name. So
Yeah,
on the production, they have given the like system format and everything.
yeah.
So on everything that is like executing on every day, and it's executing by name, like the whatever the name, initial name they have given, and by the date only. Okay, so here we are like giving the file name only.
Okay. So if you are running the backup with NoHop means we have to give the NoHop in front of EXPDP, and in
Sorry.
name we have to give the ampersand. NoHop.
Yeah, means like after dump file now we can give like is expdp and underscore %u.
Yeah, I got it. I'm asking that if you are taking the backup of huge file means huge database means like so we give the NoHop in front of EXPDP.
Yes, no hub. So it will like execute it in background.
Yeah.
It will be running in background. So if
Oh,
it will be running in background, so what you can see, like I will show you. Let me connect to the uh, duplicate session, and then again I will execute a command, and then we'll show you. So one command by name dba underscore data pump underscore jobs. Okay. So by using this, you can check the current status, set lines 100. Call job underscore name for A30. Call state for A30. Okay. select it's completed. Let me show you one thing. So here it's showing no row selected.
I understand. Because the backup is completed, that's why we can't.
Yeah, so what we will do,
No issue, I got idea. So when how the backup is running the backend, you
yeah,
can check it with
if
this.
backup is running in backend, okay, so by using this command from this view, db underscore data pump underscore jobs, you will get the idea which job is running currently.
Yeah, okay, I see.
Okay, so
So we can carry on with the next one.
so here you can see before that when we have executed, so we got like 4 row is exported, right? 4 row
Yes, right.
but now in the metadata only, you can see there is no 4 row. Means there is no table name and all. It 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 just took the user one schema metadata backup.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the things like how to take a full backup, how to take a schema backup, how to take a metadata backup. Okay. Yeah, so these are the things, and also so means like these are the basic things. Also I will show you how to take a table backup. So we will remove this metadata dot t1, and here we need to give the table, and here we need to remove metadata, need to give the table. Here also we need to remove the metadata and give the table. Okay. So why here after table equal to I have given the username and that and then I have given the T1 because I will use the sys user for the backup as a username. By using sys user, I will start the backup, and I am taking a table backup which is available in the different means another user. It is available in the user one, not in sys. That table is available in the user one. Okay. If you want to give the second table, just give the comma and give the uh, user one dot second table name. Okay.
Okay.
Or if you want to give the third, then again give the comma and give the user one dot t3. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if we will use user one user, then we don't need to give the user one dot. We just need to give the t1 comma t2 comma t3. Okay. So yeah, so we are going to take the backup of the table level, and I am using sys user and giving the password. So this is for one table. Here you can see if you want to take the multiple table user, then you can take the multiple table backup. Okay. And if you want to import or export, here you can see on schema level, okay.
And also we are using in a EXPDP SCN number, right? SCN number.
Yeah, we are using the SCN, but in organization, you can see nobody is using the means SCN and all.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the main command which is using on the in the your production. Okay, there is a multiple parameter like SCN, table space. Okay, there is a multiple commands.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They also mentioned
Okay,
also, sir.
so as per the requirement, what is the client requirement? So as per the requirement, you will be perform your activity or backup thing.
And also by last time I run the export, like taking much time, like you are not mentioned cluster is equal to n. So they
Parallel.
told to parallel given, they told like cluster is equal to n also have to mention. And not to mention that one.
So
Again they told
cluster
to
equal to 1, why they said it may be you have started the backup in the rack environment.
okay, cluster is equal to n, they given n. Is equal to n.
So where you have performed the backup in the cluster environment or something else?
Is the cluster two databases are there.
Yeah, so that's why they were using the cluster equal to n.
Okay.
Okay, means clustering matter means in rack environment. So that's why you have used the clusters, because if you did not use that, then it will look both the instance and all, and then it will take the backup. Then it will take the time to
Yes,
identify all those things. Okay,
yes,
to identify all those things, and then will take the backups, logical backups, because all the transaction is coming from the both instances. Okay,
yes, right.
it will wait for the next transaction and everything. Uh, also there is a parameter called the consistent and all. So there is a means like multiple parameters. So
On
as
dependency, we have to use it. Account to
yes, multiple parameters and your environment, your dependency. Okay, so it's totally depend on your environment, which type of environment you are using. Is it the single instance database, rack database, fail-safe cluster database, or means which type of environment you are using currently, and which type of environment you are going to perform the backups. Okay, so in every environment there will be change. Like if you are going to perform the switch over or switch back in the rack environment, so once your application will go down, so on that time you will stop one of the node or second of the node only on the switch over time. You need to run only single node, and then you will perform the switch over, and then you will start again the all the nodes. Okay, so it depends on the environment, which type of environment you are currently using, and which type of environment you are going to perform the which activity. So it totally depend on that only. So accordingly, you need to take the action. So you just know the look, in every training, a trainer will teach you the format only. Okay. And it will when you will go to the company, and they will give you the task to complete the task for this backup or this backup. So it depend on the clients and depend on the environment. Okay, so if you have an idea how to take the backup, okay, so as per the environment and all, you will know that I know the backup process, and for this environment, if you have any doubt, then definitely you will just Google it, how to take the export backup in cluster environment. So it will suggest you need to use the cluster equal to n. Okay, and you know all the other parameters like EXPDP directory, how to create directory, how to give the dump file, how to give the log file, how to give the schemas, how to give the like
Table.
color. So everything you know.
Yes,
So you
right.
just know that how to perform in cluster. So you just Google and you will get the parameter by name
Okay.
cluster equal to n. So you just include that parameter in the command. So that's it.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here you can see we have performed the table backup and we have taken the backup.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Going
And
forward,
it's completed in short time,
yes, right.
in a very less time. So
Yes.
we have performed the full backup, we have performed the schema level backup, we have performed the table level backup, we have performed the metadata backup by using EXPDP only, right?
Right.
And if you want to take the multiple schema backup, so as I told you here, key, just a second, like here, suppose you have the content equal to metadata. So
Yes.
we are taking the only one schema backup. Here you can give the multiple schema by name user 2, by name
Okay.
user 3, means whatever the schema name which is available in your database. So you just after comma you just need to give. So it will take the all three schema metadata backups.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
it's applicable on the without if you are taking the schema backup. So here we are taking the schema backup. So what you will do after first user, you need to give the second user whatever the username. You can give suppose the one username is Satish, so you just give the Satish user. The username is Nagarjuna, so just give the Nagarjuna uh, user. Okay. So after comma schema equal to after comma you can give the all those means like usernames here. So it will take whatever the user we have mentioned in the schema parameter, it will take all those user backup. Okay.
Yes, got it. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. So this is the command for this type of backups. And here we can see, here we have the all four backups. Full backup and their logs, schema backup and their logs, metadata backup and their logs. Okay. And the schema table backup means particular table backup and their log.
Yes.
Okay.
Full backup, schema backup, and metadata backup, and table backup for particular user.
Yeah, full backup, schema level backup, metadata backup, and table backup. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So these are the backup. Now we'll show you the EXP backup. CD EXP. So as I told you, we don't need logical directory here. Here we are using the directory equal to directory name, right? But when we are going to take a backup by using EXP, so on that time we don't need uh, like we don't need the like directory parameter. We cannot use in the traditional export. Okay. So here we can see there is nothing more. You just need to know how to take the backup by using export. So here you can see I have just shown the basic things like how to take the full backup and how to take the schema backup. Okay. And here I have shown you like whatever the things I have told you na in schema is equal to in EXP. If you want to take the backup of a schema, so you need to give the uh, honor equal to. So honor equal to you need to give the all the users name.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are the import. Okay. These are the import and this is the table level backup. So means like, yeah, that's fine. So here they have performed the full backup. So means like let's perform the full backup first. Then so here what we will do, we will give the EXP in single quote, we are giving the username, okay, and file equal to, we will give the path here. So either you can give in single quote, either you can give in without single quote. Give the dump
Okay.
file name. So I am giving dump file name dot DMP. And here we are giving the log equal to, okay, we are giving the full dot log and full equal to y, full equal to y.
Okay.
So that's the command. So we are using export, I think file, just a second, what we are missing. Hmm, why it's giving the problem? Just a second. That's fine. That's fine. We have given the same path. Sorry. I think this is the 19C. Let me. Here it started the backup.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, sometime now when if we will give the username now here, so we are giving the /sysdba only. Okay, so it's
Okay.
not reading the user. If here you will give like sys at the rate the connection string name as sysdba, then definitely it will be work. So that's why
Okay.
it was not able to connect to the Oracle database. So that's why job was getting terminated.
Okay.
Okay, so and as I told you, we cannot use parallel parameter in the EXP, right? So we cannot use the EXP like a parallel parameter here. So whatever the default parallelism Oracle has decided for the EXP, na, so it will use only that thing. You cannot use from your end. For parallel things, you
Okay.
cannot use any parameter in EXP. So that's why maximum people are not using the EXP, or in the environment, the client is not using the EXP because EXPDP comparing to EXPDP having the more facility.
Yeah, understand.
Okay, yeah. So you just know that how to take a full backup by using EXP, how to take a schema backup by using EXP, how to take a tables backup, and how to import. So means like you know the matter. You should know the method, how to take the backup and how to import by using EXP and IMP.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think it will take time. So what we will do, we'll wait for a few minutes. It will get disconnected automatically after 4 minutes. Then after again
Okay.
we will connect. So let's leave the time running.
Okay.
Okay, it will automatically disconnected. Then again we will connect. So let's
Okay.
run the command and also let's wait for the 4 minutes. Automatically it will get disconnected. And also the backup will take time because we have performed the full backup. And as we have seen in the EXPDB full backup, it takes time. So also this full backup will also take time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
shall I ping you once the backup is completed, right? I have to wait, or the session disconnect again we can connect it.
no, we have to wait for we have na 3 minutes remaining.
Okay. What
We
means
have to wait
after
for 3 minutes, and then if it will be disconnected automatically after 3 minutes, then again we will connect.
okay.
Okay. So I will complete the export backups command also, and then I will show you the import from that backup. I will show you the import from the backups.
Okay.
Okay, by tomorrow.
Okay.
Because already we have, I think, completed the 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
And we have the almost 3 videos, and then in the fourth I will show you the like this we are taking the full backup. I will show you the schema level backup. I will show you the table level backup.
Okay.
And then I will show you the import from those backups by tomorrow. So I will try to wake up early by tomorrow, and then
Actually,
start.
what I previous Monday now, because many issues coming from my side company.